challenged a lot of our assumptions, and it was very engaging today. So I think there's a lot of things that I can take back to my organisation and tailor those thoughts internally, and then build on that expertise and bring in support from Preventer to help us on our journey of progression through 2018.
Okay, it's a great opportunity to engage with people who are specifically focused in the things that we're interested in, are interested in the things that are important to us, and that's something that you lose in bigger meetings.
The strategy meeting format is very effective. The keynotes break up the day and allow you to have thought-provoking conversations, presentations, and the roundtable really synthesises what you're thinking about around strategy and business development, so very good.
I really like the way it's put together. It's a nice dynamic with the discussions. I like the whole agenda that's been put together. It's been very broad on the topic, and yet there's been time to dive into individual areas.
Awesome meeting. I loved the energy. There was great discussion. You know, it's all about the vibrations, and it's excellent.
Really positive. Really good opportunity to engage with my peers in the industry, coming from different angles, like from biopharma, CROs, vendors as well. And a really good opportunity to share thoughts about what it's like to sell into this market today.
It was a lot of fun. It was great to see all the different players, the vendors, the ecosystem come together. It was a very open conversation, and it was very enjoyable, very relaxed.
So my overall thoughts about the strategy meeting are that it was a very interesting coming together of a range of different people with similar interests from the life sciences business development area, and very worthwhile. I think there was some very interesting discussions. It was great to meet new people with common interests and to talk about how we solve the problems that we're facing.
Some interesting talks in the roundtable discussions. Again, I had inspiring inputs and things that came out with these.
They've been excellent. Again, lots of good ideas, and nobody's got the monopoly on good ideas. So there's been lots of good ideas from lots of different industries. And I've been very impressed by how active people have been. They felt comfortable in the working environment and they've been talking a lot. That's really worthwhile.
The ones I attended were very interesting. Again, I learned a lot on the specific topics. I thought they were very good streams to select from in terms of helping me in my own business development skills and knowledge and my company's needs. So actually, yeah, they were all very stimulating and good, very good interactions. Everyone was very open, transparent, very good.
The round table discussions, again, very thought-provoking. I think they were really well led. You chose the leaders, really well. People that have the experience in the sector really know what they're talking about. And I think they were very passive when needed to be as well. They encouraged, really strong engagement from within the audience. And okay, we went off piece a little bit, but it really allowed everyone to contribute and to put their personal company's perspectives into the discussion. But then the facilitator, the leader of the round table, was able to bring that shared learning back and apply it to everyone so that everyone could benefit.
It was a very good set of topics. The right number of roundtables, the right number of attendees, the right mix, good skills, good topics. Again, open conversation I think was the biggest value I found.
I like that format a lot. I think it's really an excellent format, and I realized it throughout the meeting that it works so well to get people engaged and to be able to actually select these little moments and topics that you want to dive further into and explore.
I thought the roundtable discussions were well organised. I thought there was a nice variety of topics covered. It's always interesting to try and fit in a discussion into 1 hour with many participants, but I thought it was well organised, the timing was done well, and the facilitators were generally very good, and I thought they were worthwhile discussions.
Yes, I think we would.
I would certainly.
To be honest, we already did. So again, thank you very much.
Oh, absolutely. I think this sort of thing really works. Excellent. Well done. Keep up the good work.
Of course, you know, it's a true point that we go out to the States and we go out to Europe and we hold events and booths and things like that. And some will need to continue all that. But the ability to reach through directly to key influencers, champions and buyers, you know, I think Preventer does offer this. It's pretty good.
I think we would. I mean, I think, you know, sort of if we're able to draw in more of our types of relevant sponsors, relevant CROs we speak to and have an opportunity to have a greater dialogue, I think it would be an excellent way to do it. It's very, very, very refreshing, very stimulating and very non-threatening. You know, like some of the big events can be very daunting for some of our customers. So this is good.
I definitely consider sponsoring a meeting like this if it was relevant to our target audience. I think that's the real key challenge. For a smaller company, we learn from the roundtable discussions that you either go small or you go big. You know, putting yourself in that middle ground is difficult. But if you are going to go for those smaller events, you really need to do your homework and you need expert partners like Preventer to point you in the right direction.